Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. The next one is a deer. This is a deer. A deer. This is a leopard. This is a leopard. L is for leopard. This is a camel. This is a camel. A rooster. This is a rooster. This is a panda. This is a panda. A rhino. This is a rhino. A dog. This is a dog. A lion. This is a lion. This is a peacock. A peacock.